Star Wars characters. Are you like me? Are you a big fan of the Star Wars films? All the films are very good. Star Wars: The Force Awakens is my favorite. The Star Wars films have got a lot of great characters. These are my favorites. Luke Skywalker is a Jedi. In the first film, he hasn't got a beard. But in The Force Awakens, he is old and he has got a beard. He has got blue eyes and fair hair. Luke can fight very well. Princess Leia has got long brown hair and brown eyes. She is Luke's sister. This is Queen Amidala. She is Luke and Leia's mother. She has got long brown hair and brown eyes too. This is Jar Jar Binks. He is very silly. He hasn't got hair. He has got big ears and a big mouth. Yoda is my favorite Jedi. He is very small, but he is very strong. Yoda has got green skin and big ears. He can't walk fast, but he can jump very high. This is Darth Vader. He is very bad. He is tall and he has got a black suit and mask. Kylo Ren is his grandson. He is bad too. He is tall and he wears a black mask. He has got long brown hair. Rey is a new Star Wars hero. She is thin and she has got long brown hair. She can run fast and fight well. Who is your favorite character? Which film is your favorite?